In this video, I will show you how to redeem a Steam wallet code. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to redeem your wallet code, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. You can see in my case here, I've got the Steam app, but the steps are the same if you prefer to use the web-based version of Steam. So once you've got Steam opened and you're logged in, what you want to do is come up to the top and you're going to see we got these different things like Steam, View, Friends, Games and Help. What you want to do is click onto Games. Now, once you've done that, you're going to get some options come up and you can see there's an option here to redeem a Steam wallet code. So all you need to do is go ahead, give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. You can see your current wallet balance to the right hand side, and to redeem your code, all you need to do is simply enter the wallet code into the box here and then click the blue continue button. Of course, mine's come back with an error message because this is just an example, it's not actually a real code. Just a quick note as well, as you can see, it says if the gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will automatically be converted if redeemable in your region. Not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions. So just something to bear in mind there, but that is pretty much the process on how to redeem a Steam wallet code. So with that being said, if this quick tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.